Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of the Southern Living Plant Collection, a curated selection of plants specifically designed to thrive in southern climates. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this collection has something to bring beauty and functionality to your garden. The Southern Living Plant Collection is a gardener's dream. These plants are hand-selected for their ability to thrive in heat and humidity, making them perfect for regions with challenging growing conditions. The collection includes flowering shrubs, ornamental trees, perennials, annuals, and even edibles. From the timeless beauty of hydrangeas to the evergreen appeal of camellias, these plants are not only hardy but also stunning year-round. Let's talk about some standout plants from the collection Encore azaleas. These reblooming azaleas bring bursts of color to your garden multiple times a year, perfect for borders or container gardens. Big Daddy hydrangeas. Known for their giant, show-stopping blooms, these hydrangeas add drama and elegance to any garden. October magic camellias. These evergreen shrubs bloom in the cooler months, ensuring your garden stays vibrant even in fall and winter. And don't forget their edible options like the blueberry glaze, a compact blueberry shrub that's as decorative as it is delicious. Segment 3. Tips for growing southern living plants. Growing southern living plants is easier than you think. Here are some quick tips to ensure your garden thrives. Location is key. Most plants in this collection prefer well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. Always check the plant tag for specific requirements. Water wisely. New plants need consistent watering to establish roots, but once they're established, many of these varieties are drought tolerant. Feed regularly. Use a balanced fertilizer during the growing season to keep your plants healthy and blooming. Segment 4. Why choose the Southern Living Plant Collection? So, why should you choose the Southern Living Plant Collection for your garden? Here's why. Tailored for southern climates. These plants are designed to thrive in the South's heat and humidity. Low maintenance options. Perfect for busy gardeners, these plants require minimal upkeep once established. Year-round interest. Many plants offer blooms, foliage, or fruit during different seasons, keeping your garden alive and vibrant all year long. Segment 5. Wrapping up. The Southern Living Plant Collection is more than just a set of plants. It's a pathway to creating a garden that's beautiful, resilient, and uniquely suited to your southern lifestyle. So, whether you're looking for bold blooms, lush greenery, or something edible, this collection has it all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and plant inspiration. See you in the next video.